Backtesting every day until profitable day 124. Today I want to try something different. I want to try, I'm going to backtest 2023 again. And I want to try trading on days without any news. Seeing if I can make rules around it. Or, yeah, I'm just started this new session. Just created it. My model experimenting 2023. And yeah, it's going to be experimenting as it says. Just want to try and see like what new I can find. Doesn't mean I'm gonna change the entire model, but just experimenting, just seeing what maybe some things I oversaw, or I don't even know what the word for it is, but just want to experiment in this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let me grab Forks Factory. They could come in handy. I'm gonna make something new on Notion. So I'm gonna duplicate this one. Wait, content. Take some time, I think. There it is. All right, so remove all of this. Remove all this. All right, so let's see. Yeah, so kind of like an experimental session. Okay. So what day is this? Oh, yeah, 1st of December. Or December, 1st of January 2023. Okay, something. I need to make a list actually. Oh, game user settings. I want to try trading on a non-news days. Why did I do this? Okay, trading on non-news days. Or no news days. Why none? Next, big range. Big trend. Trading opposite trend. And then like what it is now, like I'm trading. Sometimes we have like we're really bearish and my model says, okay, I need to be looking for bullish price, which I don't like. So I want to try this as well. What else? Yeah, like these two for now. So trading on no news days. 1st of January, that's a Sunday. Alright, go to the next day. 2nd of January. Okay, so no news on this Tuesday. So, oh, Monday was already, okay, this is a Tuesday. So we have no news on here. I want to try it. Like, what do we do here? And I'm just gonna do it like how I normally look for a bias. Okay, so this. Oh no, 3-day. Okay, so this got inversed. This changed. All right, so I'm looking for shorts. I can already tell now on a bigger time frame. But it is a Tuesday and we have no news, and it does look like we have a nice week here with NFP. So I'm gonna try. Like normally I wouldn't trade this Tuesday, because we have no news. So how am I gonna look for buys in this day? Do I literally trade the opposite trend. Like, I'm bearish. Should I be looking for bullish prices? Like, where do I start? I think maybe that's the start. So here, this looks bearish, supporting bearish prices, but I think I'm just gonna try and look for bullish prices going the opposite trend. Looking at this as a weekly profile. If I'm bearish, like, no way we're gonna print the low or the high of the week on Tuesday because we have no news there. Like, maybe I should be looking for bullish price. We'll see. Gonna mark out. Yeah, I would be bearish, so I'm gonna just do the opposite. Gonna look for bullish prices. Just gonna mark out the stage of accumulation. All right, let's see. You have a huge gap here. Just looking at the structure like this. This looks terrible already. Oh, this is not even Monday. I wanted to say I thought that was 9:30 opening. This is 9:30 opening. This has to change till 14. And here as well. Okay. So yeah. Well, let's see actually. Oh, we closed above this. Yes, took this. Another gap here. Okay, so we need to close above. Checking here. Need to close above this 4 hour, which we did as well. Okay, so I would be bullish in this. Yeah, what am I gonna do? Tuesday, no news. Am I gonna look for shorts? I don't know. Yeah, let's just look for the opposite. Like, I have to start somewhere. Let's do that. Looking for shorts this day. Okay, so we did it. We do hold this gap here. Okay, this would be low-hanging fruit. It's going trade the opposite of what I'm thinking. Because this is a day without news. Okay, we did it inverse this. Yeah, this would be low-hanging fruit. This would be stage of accumulation. Alright, let's see. So 9:30 opening here. Like, the thing is, when we have choppy days, like, that's the thing. Like, when are we gonna have choppy days? But we'll see. We'll see. So looking for a bearish setup in here. Just looking at the structure where you see that we have this gap here, the 30 minutes. We should be rejecting off this, but yeah, let's just play out price here. Okay, so we go higher. Look, nice. That's good. 3 minutes. We don't have an inversion, so no trade. So far, the volume looks good. We trade through all of these lows. And this is the thing, the days without news, actual resistance, or you have an SMT here. Oh, we do have an SMT here, okay. I don't know why I didn't mark this high out then. Do have the high taken. It looks nice so far. Okay, next stage accumulation would be right here. And even lower until here, that'll be the original consolidation. And here, okay. Let's see. Just playing out price. Okay, so that sell side stick now as well. So far, it still looks like alright price action. Okay, taking equalize on this. Taking equalize on the yes. Did we? No, not yet. Let me check. Took out this here. Took out this and this then. Okay. Did inverse this. Okay, so this would be an entry in the right time as well. Okay, equalize taken on this. That'll be the inversion. Play safe. It's gonna do this all normally. Or like normal. There. First CP, okay. Okay, so that's an immediate stop out. Okay. Mark this out in the Notion. Okay, now again, another setup, taking equalize. in this. Trend is lower, or yeah, obviously bearish, and it goes against. So if I was actually trading this, I would be looking for bullish price if I was in this, or if I was actually trading this with the strategy I'm trading now. Yeah, we're in this busy. I should be looking for bullish prices. So far that I would say that looks good. Yeah, it doesn't mean I'm right, of course. So this is now the inversion. Stop at the high. Break even at a 1-1 here again. Alright, place safe. First CP. Fix 1 and 2 inside of a 1 and 3. Don't have any other stage accumulation, so it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2. And then that will be full CP at the low. Let's see what we do. Oh yeah, and break even on the S. That'll be right here. So far it's so okay. Okay, so this is another loss. I would say that's so far not great, but yeah, that's not what what I was expecting into this session. Keep going, bro. I'm also backtested right now. Nice, man. Nice. What are you trading? Alfarit? Sorry if I don't pronounce your name like the way it should be. So this is already 2 losses on the day. I'm not gonna change those rules. Like, I just want to look at the price section that we had here, and so far, okay, eventually we did get around lower, but we had like much more manipulation. That also makes sense. Like on a day without news, like we could still be having a lot of volume, but because we don't have news, the market doesn't go to targets quicker. There can be more manipulation. If we have news, then there's more volatility, so that means quicker runs to the drawn liquidity. And so far I've seen more manipulation on the price action here, but yeah, this is just 1 day, we'll see. But yeah, this looked really good, like taking equalize on this, inverting this is all balanced. Yeah, so far this looked really good, and then we had a huge manipulation higher, don't know where into, but we'll see. This could be just today, but we'll go to the next day. Okay, so Wednesday we have high impact folder news, so I will be trading this entire day just like normal then. If we don't really if we're not really trending, and it doesn't look like we're really trending, so far this looks good, so I'm expecting this to be an okay day. I have an SMT high still there, because this is how I would normally trade. Doesn't mean it's going to be profitable right away, but or it's going to be in profit right away. So far this looks good. How do I drag this? I don't know what I did. Okay, yeah, so looking for shorts. That'll be the low-hanging fruit. Do an SMT these lows. Still, these would be a target at stage accumulation. Here on yes. Here's wall, small one. Alright, so let's see. We do have an SMT to highs. We do have 10 AM news, so gotta wait for that. I'm backtesting Force Pact, EU and GU. Nice, man, nice. Also, also using FX replay. Alright, so we are holding these gaps here. These are 30 minutes, but I want to see this get in first. Looks pretty good so far, or for bearish prices. Let's see what we do. Okay, so instantly dropping into the sell side. Fortunately, but I still think the draw is lower. And also ICT concepts for it, or what's the strategy you trade? Okay, so 943. It would be an entry, but I will be break even on here already. Let's just, I want to say this going to be break even. Wouldn't be any profits at all. So here would be the entry. Stop would be there. And that would be break even, but wouldn't have hit the target anyway, so I'm not gonna take it. That would be news. Okay, still expect us to go lower. So far it looks really nice, but just looking for the setup now. Looking in this leg, 2 minutes. Okay, we failed to close above this high, and we did close below this low. We're below second stage distribution, so this will be an entry. And then break even would be at the low, I think. Yeah, it's not even 1-on-1. No. So place, save, and then first TP would be a fixed 1-2. Below the low here. Or even lower. No, it's going to be fixed, and see what we do. Break even on this. Let's close above this high. On ES as well, doesn't have to be, but we did. See what we do here. Okay, so that will be a stop again, fortunately. Copy image, another loss. With day 124, damn good software. I literally just plan to do exactly what you're doing. Nice, man, nice. Yeah, go start it, man. Why not? Like only benefits. Alright, so we do get a push higher here after generating all these lows, so it could be like a pretty big drop higher, I would say. But let's see, just looking at the structure again, took one loss now, let's take another one. Or another one, just let's take another trade. Just waiting for a structure in here. Okay, we do have a small sibby there. This is gonna be outside my kill zone. Really don't know what where the price actually came from here. Creating really clean lows on here as well. Let's go to the PM session. Even a push higher. Just trading this like a normal trading day. Okay, still in this, what is it? A 6 hour. Oh, we did inverse. Oh, yes, as well. Okay, so I'd be bullish here again. Okay. That'll be the low hanging fruit. That would be the low hanging fruits. Okay, so let's see. Looking at this as a market maker buy model. Aren't any stage of accumulations here? Stages of accumulation, I mean. Buy setup here looks really clean. Alright, so far this looks good for bullish prices then. We are in a bigger range, bigger time frame range consolidation, so we could not have a run higher to there. That would be totally fine, but this would be a low hanging fruit, or the low hanging fruit, so this could be a realistic target, but we'll see what we do. Just looking at the structure on here. And Nisa, can you show me what low hanging fruits are? Yeah, it's really I'm expecting for us to go higher to the buy side up here, because we inverse this on here in the 6 hour, so we have this singular 6 hour SIBI that got inverse to close above. Same thing on the ES. Looking at this time frame, then the first swing high, that right here, this got inversed, so the first target would be up here. This would be a low hanging fruit objective. Because this would be the first target, but that's only on this time frame. Zooming in into the lower time frame, then looking at here as well. Okay, I'm expecting for us to go there on the higher time frame, so I'm expecting for us to go from here higher again. So this would also be a low hanging fruit, and then yeah, just the first swing high that like I think the draw is higher than this high, but this would be the first low hanging fruit, the first swing high as a target. So that's what the low hanging fruit would be. So looking in this leg here, we have a 30-minute BISI, which we are holding. We also hold the inversion. Won't mark this out because it will just be more added to the chart, which is unnecessary. But yeah, I'm expecting a bullish reaction from here. Looking at this, a market maker buy model. This will be a stage of accumulation. But you could say this would be low hanging fruit on that time frame, but this would be the low hanging fruit again on this time frame. Like you could, it's fractal. So thanks, bro. Of course, man. Of course. So looking at this now, waiting for more structure. Do so far get a nice reaction. This was from the BISI as well. around CE. Okay, waiting, drop in lower. This looks good so far, but we don't have any. Oh, we do have one on the 2 minutes so far, yeah. Take now equal lows. Let's see if we inverse this. Don't yet, waiting. SMT at the low. Wait. What the hell is that? 4th of January. Oh, we had FOMC being immense. Okay, so now we should go to there. Okay, that's one taken. Still not where I want it to be yet. I still think we're going higher. Still in this inversion. Then it's 30-minute busy. I will mark it out now because I thought we were going to have a quicker reaction, but no, not yet. And here on yes, also still holding this. Alright, so looks good so far. See if you're gonna get a reaction here. Does look like it. We have taken all these lows here, and we did get a really nice reaction from this so far. This would be the inversion, and it's a setup. These are all these boxes. Let me just remove this one. But so far this looks really nice. But the stop in this one is huge. Like I would say, I don't think we're gonna go back below here, but I just want to have it. I want to have the model to be consistent. So just gonna answer on this, and then this black line would be break even, and then maybe we will go to the high up there, which is on the bigger time frame, which would be right here. That will be first EP, and let's see, break even would be on buy set on here and buy set on here. Okay, so I would be stopped there. Okay, stopped here anyway. So copy this. There. We are in this in the month January again. So not the best price action for my strategy so far. It proves it again. Going to the next day. Maybe I should be trading another month to start this with. Maybe I should go to February because there's where this January is not the best price action, and this is just going to be experimental. Tomorrow I want to do a normal backtesting session again. But we'll just see. Gonna go ahead and trade this still. Go to Friday. Did you try pop from yet? Yeah, I'm trading on Top Step. A 50k challenge account. It's now at it's now in drawdown actually. Around 1% in drawdown, I think. So far this looks like a big range here, big accumulation range. Market doesn't really know where it wants to go. You have taken a sell side here. This would just be normal trading day, NFP. And let's see where I would be. I think I would be bearish here. We already took out the low there, so that doesn't matter. Still think we're going lower. That'll be the first target. So let's see, low hanging fruit here as well. See where we are in 4 hour. Okay, so do hold this 4 hour really small gap here. Expecting for this to be just internal reactions for us to go lower to the sell side here. And then on the yes, 2 hour. Also a singular 4 hour SIBI. And if we inverse on both NQ and ES, I'm expecting for us to go higher, and then it would be the buy side again. Let's see. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 1.5 years now. 1 month I did support and resistance. 4 months I did TGR. I don't know if you know TGR, but I traded the way TGR trades. And then 1 year, I would say, or no, yeah, 4 months. And then I did a whole year, I think, IC concepts, just learning that, trading demo. And then from that year, 4 months or 3 months now, I'm focusing on one model, which I'm trading. Yeah, 3-4 months now, I think. Just trading one model, just staying consistent with that model. Not in trading nothing else, just trading that. Yeah. Let's see now. So we did inverses 2 minutes. Yeah, ES take now equal highs. Okay, so this is NFP. What time is this? 9:34. Do have 10 AM news, but this still would be a valid trade. That would be the entry. break even would be here. First TP, minimum of 1 or 2. Not even there. Inside of a 1 or 3. Okay, that'll be first TP. Let's see. Play, save. That's the inversion. Alright, let's see. And then break even on the S would be the same low, which would be here. That's a break even. See if you can get the run lower. So far it does look like it. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, that was 10 a.m. news. I should have closed it 1 minute before. Would have been just a small profit. Like, I don't care about the profits on this account. It's experimental anyways. But this would be a break even trade then, or a bit profit trade. Gonna mark this out like, what was it, 0.81 R, or no, 0. Just gonna make something up. R, first TP, close, 10 a.m. news. I don't care about the profits in this one anyway. Oh, copy the image. That'll be a break even. Yo, Jimmy. What's up, man? How are you? What model are you trading right now? I'm trading inversion for Wake-Up's model. Yeah, the inversion for Wake-Up's model. And I'm on this account, I'm just experimenting with like, I want to see, made a small list trading. I want to trade on no news days, see what, just experimenting. Trade on non-news days, a big trend, trading opposite trend. That's sometimes it happens where we have a big trend and my strategy tells me, okay, I should be looking for this, which is then longs in a really bearish trend. I don't really like it. It does work still, but I don't know, just want to see and experiment with this. I'm good. How are you? I'm good as well, man. Good as well. Any plans for this, what is it? Oh, Sunday already, yeah. Any plans for this Sunday? So let's see where we are. Still would be bearish in this. Let's see what we do. Okay. Going higher from here. Tapping that small CB on the 4 hour. Nice reaction. And it is an entry. So yeah, it's taking out equal highs here. That'll be the inversion. Reaction off that 4 hour CB again. Like this would go not really against the trend. I would still be confident with this trade, but sometimes we have like a huge drop lower on the bigger time frame as well. This area isn't really, but yeah, like this maybe, and I should be looking for bullish price in here. Like sometimes that happens. I just want to experiment on those days. Yeah, let me enter on this, place, save. Break even would be at this low. Or here on yes. I would say we should go at least here. Look at these equal lows here. I would say we should at least go there. First DP would be inside of a 1 or 3, minimum of 1 or 2. That'd be right there then as first DP. Or here on yes. Let's see what we do. Okay, so that got hit. Retracement, and okay, so yeah, it did get hit. These equal lows. Got a straight reaction off of there. That'll be a break even there. See where we are now in price. So we're still holding that CB. Yes, does look like it's going higher. Well, what do you think about FX Alex? I don't think I don't think he's legit. I think I've seen some videos pop up of him getting exposed or something. I don't watch those videos, but like he doesn't really look, I don't know, like but what I don't think he's actually a real trader. Financial institutions I work at has Christmas party. Financial institution. Wow, I didn't know you were right there. As there a Christmas party yesterday, went to that, but nothing else. Nice, man, nice. How was it? Yeah, so still looking for shorts in this. Do clean lows here as well. Oh, wait, I'm getting called. All right. That's good. Bring you back. Nice, man. Nice. Do you think support and resistance retail work? Yeah, 100%. Yeah. I think any strategy could work. Yeah, so still looking for shorts. 1039. Ooh. My mic's working. Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, still looking for shorts in this. And I don't dislike this. Like, I would still be pretty bearish in this, even though it is run higher. Like, maybe in the PM session, who knows? But I'm still confident with this. Like, it isn't really, like, it still goes higher, obviously, but really doesn't go too far out of my bias. And now, this 4 hour, I'll still be looking for bullish prices, but maybe we're gonna have like an SMT at the highs here. So that'll be for here, target on yes. And in 44 minutes, if we do close above in 44 minutes, then yeah, which we probably are gonna do, then I would be bullish. But for now, still bearish, which I'm still fine looking for bearish prices. Just looking at the structure, like I know where we are now, and that the only target on yes is right there. Do you need simulation at 1315 or around here? Okay, not yet. Waiting, we do get it now. Let's see what we get here. Still pushing higher, so I don't think this is just gonna be any short setup. Would it be there? No. Okay. So now I'm allowed to trade again, and this would be the inversion. This would be the inversion. Oh, getting called again by another person now. Oh yeah, a second. Okay, can you tell me about inverse Fourier gaps? Of course. So I mark out singular ones, but it's the same idea. So this would be a really small one, like you could barely see it, but this would just be a normal Fourier gap, a bearish Fourier gap. But what it is on the same time frame from the Fourier gap. So I mark it out. So 2 hour, we have a singular, or we have a Fourier gap here, SIBI. We have another Fourier gap here, another SIBI. I mark out a singular one, which would be on a 4 hour. We have a small one here. And what we do is I look on a 4 hour time frame. If we close above this, then I would see this as an inversion Fourier gap. Really simply explained. But yeah, now I'd be looking for bullish prices to see what we do. And now I'm allowed to look for bullish prices. Do we have any really clean lows? Do have some clean lows here, but don't think we'll come back all the way there. We're really trending bullish here. Just looking for smaller manipulations lower. Just see what we do here. Yes, looks like it's going for that buy side. Waiting here still, nothing yet, and there's the buy side taken on yes. I would be bearish now again. Like, would I? Let's see actually. Yeah, I would be bearish again. Don't think we're gonna get anything bearish here. Like, I think this would just be the objective for the week. And that we're not gonna do anything, but I need to look for bearish prices. It could also be like something experimental, but yeah, this isn't consistent. Like, I would say, okay, this target is now taken, like we're at the end of the week, big target is taken, but I don't like the rules. Like I want every rule to be objective, and this is like subjective. Like what would be the big target for the week? Like it could also be up there. Like I would be pretty confident that this would be the objective for the week, but it isn't consistent. Like I want to have objective rules. So now I'll just be looking for shorts, but don't think we're gonna get anything here. 14.48. We did take a 4-hour high now. Okay, so I have to wait at least for a 5-minute high to get taken. And then I could be looking for shorts. Now I could be looking for shorts, but only 10 minutes for an entry. And that would be it, yeah. So going to the next day, which would be Monday again. No news. Go to Tuesday. Paul speaking. I'll be trading after Paul, but we'll be trading entire day, 9 a.m. See what we have now in price. Oh shit. I skipped the Monday. No news. I should be trading this because I want to experiment trading on no news days. Replay. Of course, man. Of course. Yeah, let's see. So, seeing where we are now in price. And yeah, for a start, like, what am I looking for? A day without news. Let's see. I would be bearish here again. And I have to start somewhere. Yeah, I would be bearish here again. This would be a SIBI. And on NQ. A singular 1 day or 2 days to be here, and I'm still bearish because the bear time frame is still bearish. We're still holding this inversion, this 2-day inversion. Didn't tap it, but yes, I think we did. So here, same thing. This busy should send price higher, but what we did is we closed below here, and then this should be getting used as resistance to go lower now. So yeah, I would be bearish bigger time frame. I think. Yeah, so I would be bearish in this, but it is a Monday, day without news, so I'm just, yeah, gonna try an experiment, just gonna look for bullish price, doing the opposite thing. So let's see. And that would be good here, like this would be really trending, and I would be looking for bearish prices. I would say that this would be a good thing, but let's see. So we have this 15-minute busy, which I could mark out, but 9:30 Tuesday swing could be sending price way lower than that. We'll see what we do though. Low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit. Let's see what we do. One more minute. No. No. Not in here. Oh wait, this is 9 a.m. Why is this 9 a.m.? Waiting for 9:30, which is right here. Okay, so we'll be looking for bullish prices. See what we do. Okay, so far really bullish. Okay, nothing here. 2 minutes. Small 2-minute gap in here. Didn't take out equal lows, so still waiting. Yo, Chi, what's up, man? How are you? Still looking for bullish prices. Okay, this wouldn't be a trade because he has already took the high where I'd be break even. Shopping on lower, taking equal lows again. Didn't inverse this. Waiting. Did inverse this now, 10.27. Okay, let's see what this experimental trade day without news. Let's see. Break even would be at a 1-to-1. And fixed 1 and 2 RR for the first TP. Taking now equal lows. Let's see what we do. Nothing on yes, okay, but still. Break even on yes would be right there. Break even. Nice. Okay, that got hit. 75% off there. Just doing this like normal. With the entries, TP and stuff. Where's the targets? Let's see. It's already taken. It's gonna be fixed TP of a 1 to 5. Let's see what we do. Stops at break even. Or the market is gonna close, or outside my kills, I mean. Okay, that'll be a break-even trade for the rest. We went as far as a 3.9. Like maybe that's the thing as well. Like that's just what I'm trying to see. I think I will mark out the profits here, or how far it came, because this is a day without news. Could be like I need to have like there's no target here. Like that's why I'm using fixed TPs now. So like a 1 to 2 and a 1 to 5. That's normally what I would target then. But because this is day without news, like the range could be less, and we couldn't. Maybe yeah, the range could be less, and we won't go that high. So maybe it will be like a 1 or 2 fixed, and then the full at like a day without news, like a 1 or 3, or for example, something like that. Yeah, just gonna mark out where we 3.87 RR max. And a 1 and 2. All right. And then, yeah, I can just mark this out in my Notion. Yeah, this looks good. Copy. Paste in my Notion as the first W. But yeah, don't worry about the results. It's experimental. All right, so that'll be that day. Going to the next day. Maybe I should only be trading days without news. Why would I waste my time on this? Yeah, it could be like an expansion. Like when we're really bullish, like for this example. Now let me just trade these days as well. So Paul speaking. This would just be a normal how normally trade. This looks bullish from here. Bigger time frame. I am still bearish, so I'm looking for shorts in this range. Even with this busy holding, they take out liquidity. Have an SMT at that, reacting off that SIBI. Have an SMT in the Ferrari gap there. See what we do here. So looking for bearish price, looking for bearish PD arrays. Have a SIBI here. Low hanging fruits. Low hanging fruit. And then here. Have a SIBI here. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, bearish, looking for that low hanging fruit and even beyond that, but just marked out this now. I like risking less because the volatility is low on news days. That's also a thing I could add. Risking less. I'm gonna add that to the list. Thank you, Jimmy. Risking less on no news days. That's also a good one. Really good one. It's so obvious, and I don't think about it. Thank you. Good. Yeah, good as well, man. Thank you, Richie. Let's see. Yeah, so bearish here. See what we get with price. Waiting for more structure. Okay. We did inverse this now. Okay, we did take equalize. Do we have any crazy news? No, yeah, we have Paul speaking. So yeah, this would be an entry. Just a normal entry. I would say this looks pretty good with all these equal lows we're doing. Has some T here. But that would be an entry. Stop at the high. First TP will be a minimal 1 and 2. See what you do. Oh, I would be filled in here. Still, if it's going to be lost, then doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. Just going to copy this. This is just a normal trade, but we're still in January. We'll see. And okay, I do see like the setup forming here if I was bullish, but yeah, for me, or yeah, there's no reason that I should be looking for bullish prices. Like this is just a normal trading day. Just looking more in depth, like what did we actually do? Like obviously it looks bullish here. Like we have this push higher than around, yeah, the day open here, true day open. Asia accumulation, London manipulation, New York distribution, inside an imbalance, taking out liquidity. But it's just that's subjective. And I would still be bearish because of that bigger time frame. And I'm expecting like we could have direction today already. Yeah, like I don't know if we're gonna go to the buy side here. Like I still would be bearish here. Still holding this inefficiency. Yeah, but this looks bullish obviously. But now we're creating all these equal lows as well. See what we do. Okay, took equalize on this. This would be an entry. I would be break even on this already. Let me just not take it. See if I would be break even. If it's a loss, I have to take it. If it's a win, I have to take it as well. Okay, that would be a really nice entry. So I have to go back on this. Replay. So going back on this. I thought it was going to be break even. That's why I didn't take the entry. Because it looks so tight for it to be break even. I'll be break even on here already. And on ES, I'll be break even here already. But let's see. Don't know if ES actually hit it, and then I'll be break even, but we'll see. Inversion there. So place, save. First start would be a here instead of a 1 and 3. Stage accumulation. That'll be break even. That'll be first TP, and final TP would be at the low here. Let's see what we do. Yeah, so that got hit. Okay, yeah, I would still be in this. Break even here. And get the neutron lower. That's nice. And that's first TP. But that's too far. Hopefully we come back a bit there. Yeah, shit. Yeah, it doesn't even matter about the profits anyway. Let me just fully take it off there. Like, that doesn't matter. Copy image. Don't care about the profits in this account. But yeah, that would be a nice trade again. That was first TP. This was final. And this would just be a normal trading day. Like, maybe I shouldn't even trade these days because why would I? Like, this is not experimenting. I think I'm just going to skip these days. Wait, I already pasted in there. I'm just going to skip the days with news because, yeah. Yeah, so let me go to, this is Tuesday. Go to Wednesday. Okay, so I would only be, that's something like I don't want to change. This is a day with news and I'm only trading the AM session. Or maybe it could be experiment with that day as well. Okay, so let me see what I'll be looking for. Yes, sir, I got you. Thank you, man. There's an indicator that marks out Asia session, London and New York. Maybe theory you're trusting could be seek and destroy. Yeah, I just want to see. Yeah, that could be like on no news days. We could have seek and destroy. That could be, yeah. Like I know what indicator you're talking about. I have it on Trading View. What's it called? This one from trade. Yeah, but it's only FX replay. Wait, I see kill zones. No, you don't get. You don't have it on FX replay. No, but still, I could look at this. 20 around here, or this would be London. That would be accumulation manipulation. Still manipulating around. No, not the same, but still. But yeah, okay. I want to try on this Tuesday or when. Oh, what was it? Yeah, this Wednesday. So normally I'll be only trading the AM session. I made that a rule for a reason, so maybe I shouldn't even try that. But I could be trading like the AM session. I'll be trading normally, and then the PM session. I could be looking for the opposite trend. Like that could be like, that would be a start. Let's just go to the PM session. Okay, I don't have any fade in this. So I would be, wait, what would I be here? So we inverse this. We already took the high. Oh no, I'd be bullish until this. So I would be bullish in this. I think, let me check. So yes. Wait, this looks really off. Yeah, inverse this. It's already taken out. I would be bearish in this. Okay, that would be good then. Yeah, I would be bearish in the on this day, but to going the opposite end, that tells me bullish. Okay, let me see then. And if I was trading in the AM session, I would be bearish as well, I think. Do I already take the high on at 9:30? Right here. Did an SMT at this high. will be bearish. Don't think there was anything in there. I'm looking at this because that would be crazy. Okay, the take equal. Well, this would be an entry, yeah, and it would be a really nice W. So if I was trading the AM session, 10:30, break even on here, taking out equalize on this side, equalize taken there. Minimum 102 first TP inside of A103, be a fixed 102, and then final TP would be at stage accumulation here. That would be really nice. But now looking for bullish price in the, just looking for the opposite direction, opposite draw liquidity. So bullish here, let's see what we do. Three minutes would be an entry if you close above. Would it be? Yeah, 13.15. Nothing here. He has already inversed it, but I'm not trading yes. Okay, take out that low. Felt to close below it. Smart money reversal, low risk. First, second would still be if we close above this now. That would be an entry. Yes, yeah, it is an entry. Okay, so let's see in here. Felt to close below. Inversion. First CP, we're actually break even at a 1-to-1. And on the yes, break even here. 1-to-1 on NQ. First CP will be a fixed 1-2. Yeah, and then that will be final. Or yes, probably by the time it's already taken that, so I'll take a full TP off at the 1-2 then if we even want to hit that. Play safe. Let's see what we do. And that'll be a stop, okay. Wait, this, I shouldn't even mark it out like this normally. I should no, I would just remember it like this and I have the recording as well. Okay, yeah, so still bullish in this. Oh wait, I already took one win. I would have already took one win today. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Like I wouldn't have traded this then, but still want to see what we do. Like the market is not gonna, okay, you already took a win on a day, so like the rest of the day is just gonna be losses now. Like the market doesn't care if I already took a win on the day or no. Okay, so we inverse this, taking out equal lows, that would be the entry, yeah, okay. So still bullish on here, and then that would be the break even. That would be the entry. Stop at the low, that would be the inversion. Okay, first CP fix 1-to-2, 1-to-1 break even. I'm gonna eyeball it, 1-1 right here. Okay, not even close. Okay. Place, save. First CP up there. Okay, let's see. And if ES hits it, it's gonna be a fix 1-to-2. Okay, that's a break even. And ES hitting that, so fix 1-2, and that'll be full TP. Okay, that'll be harsh. I still think we're going higher. Yeah, okay. So that would be okay. Just gonna mark this out in the Notion. Okay, so far this looks okay. Yeah, that was the training day. Okay, going to the next day and going to this Thursday. I'm skipping this day because I would normally trade this day. Friday, normally trade this day as well. Going to the next day. Monday we have a bank holiday. Definitely not trading that. Yeah, bank holiday, just no trading. Like, Tuesday we'll be trading this entire day as well. Skipping this. Wednesday we'll be trading this entire day as well. Thursday we have meetings. Really don't like trading in meetings, so I'm skipping this day as well. And then Friday, medium impact folder news. I think it's just gonna be, that's gonna be a rule as well. Just staying as that rule. Medium impact folder news, I'm not trading the Friday, and if you have no news on a Friday, I'm not trading that as well. Like on a Friday, I just don't like the Fridays. Yeah, I just don't like the Fridays. Just having staying that, or that rule staying. Monday, okay, no news on the Monday. Going to that. That'll be there Friday. Nice push, but no. Okay, let me check just the Friday then. Just want to see. Medium impact folder news. I wouldn't trade this entire day. And I want to see what would I be in this day. So obviously we have a nice push in here. Let me check. Going back on this. What would I be on this Friday? I think I would be bearish on this already. Because we're still holding this daily. Today, yes, closed above, but still we inverse this. And NQ is holding, so I'll be bearish from just looking at that. Looking here as well, yeah, I'll be really bearish. So wouldn't be in that anyway. But it is a Friday. Like Friday, I would be bearish on this. I wouldn't be trading on this Friday. Should I be looking for the opposite trend? So let me see what we did then. So I would be bearish, but just flipping that and would be bullish then. Let's see. Okay. We did close above, that would be the entry. Let me just mark it all out then. Break even, fixed, 1 to 2. Let's see. That's a break even. Got stopped at break even, so just remove this already. Let's see what we did after. Nothing here, waiting. Okay, a nice CB here. Okay, if we close above, it would be an entry, taking out these perfect equal lows, this equal low, or this low. Entry, stop, break even, fixed 1 and 2. Like in this case, I wouldn't like this is the Friday. Like you're looking at this price action, like I wouldn't even expect us to go. Like I saw that huge push already, of course, but I wouldn't expect us to go all the way higher. So that's just, it is like a fine idea to try, like trading the opposite bias on the day without, where I'm not expecting anything. Okay, this would be a stop, or no, break-even would be on this, so that would be a break-even. Taking out this low, we open SMT, we have our above stack stage resolution. If we close above, it would be an entry. Okay, no entry because we closed above, but that would be the break-even, so nothing here, waiting. Okay. Failed to close below this low. We have a, oh, I thought we had a CB there, we don't even have it. Waiting. Yeah, that would just be that trading. Yeah, going to the PM session. Let me just skip that Friday. Wasting time here. Let's go to the next day. Monday, no news. Let's see. So still in this CB. Yes, inverse this, but NQ still holding this. So still would be a CB. I would be bearish, but we don't have any news, so I would be bullish. So far that would be, I would say that looks good again. Like this looks really bullish, obviously, but or no, actually, I think I would be, no, I would be bullish in this. So I need to look for bearish prices. Okay, we inverse this. Okay, no, yes, it's still holding this. Okay, so I would be bearish in this. Now looking for bullish prices because of flipping that entire bias. Let's see. It does look like we have really clean lows here. He has already took that. Okay. Do an SMT there then. It's still 930. Could drop lower in there. We do have a nice busy here holding. Okay, let's see. Close above. Okay, that wouldn't be a trade because I would be breaking in there already. Okay, nice push. Still bullish. Low hanging fruit was taken. Just right there. Okay, still expecting for us to go higher then. That'll be the draw. There as well. See what we do. Still in the right time. Still close below. Did inverse, that would be an entry, but I'll be break even there already. So far it all doesn't look promising. Like I would say that trend would be correct here. Just looking for that. Okay, this got inverse. Okay, so this is an entry. Monday, day without news. Let's see if we want to get here. It does look like we have very clean highs here as well. That'll be break even, safe. Okay, 1 to 2. Fixed TP, break even on the black line. Let's see what we do. Break even. Wow, nice. Okay, 75% off. On a Monday, day without news. Just trading the opposite bias, opposite direction. Because this is the thing, like I would be looking for bearish price in here. Like that, I really don't like that. If it was a day without news, with news, I mean. I would be bearish in this still. But I like this so far. 105 fixed TP. Yeah, let's see how far we can get here. Gonna mark out that high again. Stops at break even. Wow. Monday, day without news. Crazy. Nice run. Yeah, let's see how far we actually got. So we'll mark that out. Like the 1 and 2 was like right here. I'm on a 5 full TPs here. I am gonna mark this out because that would be the easiest way. Monday. Day without news. Monday, no news. And I know what I'm doing. Like I'm looking for the opposite direction, so I just can mark this out of my Notion. And I want to play this entirely out so I can look at what the high was. Like a max TP. I think that'll be it. Yeah, okay, so 10.58. Max. Oh, not the time. Okay, that'll be a really nice one. That will be the inversion. Okay, and yeah, I think that, yeah, that'll be the session. I really want to do this tomorrow again. I will. Because I just like I just like experimenting. Like I know the strategy now. I'm actually trading. Like I'm just trying to get more data on that. And yeah, I will try to experiment tomorrow with this as well. Like so far, it's looking okay. So yeah, day without news. Don't know about this. Was this a day without news? Like I don't even remember anymore. I have to go back. But let me just remove all this now. Like I know this days without news. It's gonna mark it on every thing. Let me just remove all this. Like this would be the start. Like I'm gonna do this like this. All these losses. I don't even remember this. Like I should do it like this. Okay, Monday no news. Okay, I know. Okay, day without news. I got a nice win on this. Let me start from this. Yeah, I feel like no news days are good scalping days. Yeah, so far like, yeah, and like sometimes still when there's a day without news, like this is just a Monday without news, but look at this expansion. Like what, like still looks really good. But yeah, just the thing is like I want to see like I made it a rule for a reason to not trade on no news days. Also with it being like sometimes it being really choppy, but I've seen a lot that no news days could be having a nice expansion as well. But still, if I would be trading in that, like I've seen that if I would be trading those days, like normally it would just go against my entire bias, so it's still fine to not trade. But if I just pick the opposite bias, like I don't know, still that would maybe work, but that's just what I'm trying to figure out. And then yeah, I want to see on these as well, risking less, like it could be a thing as well. But yeah, I really want to see on this. But yeah, that'll be the session. You should make no folder for each day with no news. See which one you succeed the best on. You should make folders for each day with no news. Yo, Jimmy. Yo, Jimmy, thank you. Wow. I know exactly what you mean. Yeah, that's way better, a way better thing to do. Wow. Um, Private, and that will be a database, like it will be slash table. Wow, yeah, thank you, Jimmy. Tuesday, and then I have to figure out if I can paste. But I know how it. I know, yeah, yeah. Gonna have it on here. Uh, Rename days with no news. Wow, why am I not thinking of this? Thank you, Jimmy. Days with no news. Put this on the top. I'll remove this folder, but right here. And then add icon. Experiment. All right. Yeah, thank you, Jimmy. Wow. But yeah, gonna end it here. Thank you, Jimmy, honestly, again. And then one other person's watching as well. Thank you. Jimmy, it's evening there, isn't it? Have a good day or a nice night. Don't know what time it is there, Jimmy, but thank you. Oh no, it's just the morning. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna end it here. Have a nice Sunday. Yeah, see ya. Got you. Thank you. Thank you, man. See ya. See you, Vito. Bye.